Hey there, welcome to Life Mastery. With summer just around the corner, we know how overwhelming the pressure to socialize can be. But fear not, because today, we've got you covered with some fantastic tips on how to make this summer an introvert's paradise. So grab your favorite iced drink, and let's dive into our guide to an introvert-friendly summer. Before we jump into these insightful tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on any of our Life Mastery content. Now, let's dive in. Here's 5 ways to make your summer more introvert-friendly. Attend social gatherings on your terms. We all love a good barbecue or block party, but staying all day may not be our cup of tea. Decide beforehand the hours that suit you best. Whether you prefer to help set up and leave before it gets too loud or arrive later when things start to mellow out, it's your call. Stick to your boundaries unapologetically, even if others make remarks. Remember, it's your summer, and you should enjoy it at your pace. Deepen connections with neighbors. Summer bonfires are perfect for one-on-one chats. Invite neighbors over to your backyard for meaningful conversations. They'll understand that you're not being unsociable, you're just being true to yourself. By embracing your introversion, you encourage others to do the same, fostering authentic connections. Communicate your needs during vacation. Vacations with family and friends can be delightful but draining. Make sure to communicate your introvert needs during the planning phase. Set aside specific days or hours for alone time or introspection. Whether it's engaging in solitary activities or simply staying in bed, these moments are essential for a fulfilling vacation. And don't forget to include introvert-friendly group activities to balance the vacation experience for everyone. Explore less crowded spots. For a serene summer experience, explore less crowded places. Head out early in the morning or during non-peak hours to enjoy popular hiking trails with fewer people. Or, venture off the beaten path to discover hidden gems that offer the same beauty without the crowds. Create your personal space while camping. Camping can be a magical experience, but sharing close quarters with others can be challenging for introverts. Don't hesitate to carve out your own space during camping trips. Set up a single-person tent on the same campsite, rent an RV for more privacy, or secure your own campsite nearby. And there you have it, our introvert-friendly guide to summer. Embrace your introversion and make this season uniquely yours. Remember, it's okay to set boundaries and create your ideal summer experience. So, cool down the pressure to socialize and make this summer an unforgettable one for yourself. If you enjoyed our introvert-friendly tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow introverts. Subscribe to our channel for more content catered to introverted souls like ours. As always, let us know in the comments how you plan to enjoy your summer as an introvert. Until next time, take care, and let's make this summer one for the books.